Now you'll see that it takes about 32 seconds to process each. In essence, let's say there were other changes that we had that we wanted to make too, but we don't want to run through all the pages. What we can do is we can simply add a skip tag, and this will allow the plugin to skip any unnecessary layer or problematic layer. In this case, these are pages that we will not be exporting. We're really only working with a couple pages right now. So let's actually just remove. Okay, so we will be working with these three. So now let's re-export and let's see the speed. So you'll see it's much faster, 7 seconds at processing the pages that we require.